everybody, my name's Ebony, or as I go by here, stay-at-home mum, Persephone, Persephone, just whatever they want to call me on the day. And today, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious Vegemite Lamingtons. And it's super simple. All you need is some lovely coconut, some Vegemite, or if you're not a fan of Vegemite, Marmite, Promite, just whatever, and a nice slab of sponge cake. Oh, and you might want to just melt your Vegemite a little bit, just so it's easy to spread. All right. Oh, it's gone a little bit icky, but that's all right. So you just plop your Vegemite on your sponge, get your handy dandy spatula and spread it on. Oh, might really need a little bit more. Now these Lamingtons are my absolute favourite. And coming up to Australia Day, which is tomorrow, these are the best. You make them for your family, your friends, they will be absolute treat. And you can see that's not going too well, but that's because my Vegemite isn't melted enough. But you get the gist anyway. You can get really messy with this as well. It's really fun if you get messy. Oh, well, that wasn't supposed to happen. This is my first live video as well, so I'm no Jodie Allen, but I try. But anyway, once you get your Vegemite on, probably will look a little bit better than this. Dip your yucky Vegemite fingers into the coconut and just sprinkle it on. If you like coconut, add some more. If you don't like coconut, add some less. It's easy as. But yeah, once you've got it all coated, you will do the sides as well, so it's nice, just like these ones here, but these ones are in the little slices we did earlier. But yeah, and that's how you make the delicious Lamington that are covered in Vegemite. Now, as I do love these, I am going to try them. Just pop that out. This is okay. Take a big bite. Delicious. Really good. Bye everybody.